Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a series of events and copy them to a different range of dates. So here I've got events from the 4th to the 7th of May on the private calendar, and I want to copy them to the MISC calendar, which currently is empty. The first thing you'll need is GCalExtras, which is a Google Calendar add-on available in the marketplace. I'll put the link in the description. And you click Install, and this will then show up in the right-hand sidebar of Google Calendar, here. So open GCalExtras. These are calendar presets, which are the subject of a different video. We're going to click here and go to Copy, Move Events. This opens a new window where you can select a calendar here, Private, a target calendar, MISC, the start date for a range, the end date for the range, and a new start date, here the 13th. So the events from the 4th, the 5th and the 6th inclusive are going to be copied to the 13th, the 14th or the 15th. Now you'll see that we have one weekly event here which repeats, and I've included this just to illustrate how GCalExtras handles repeat events. So I'm going to copy the events here. This will take a few seconds, but as you can see, the events from the 4th are copied to the 13th, from the 5th they'll be copied to the 14th, and from the 6th they'll be copied to the 15th. So it tells me here 10 events copied. Please wait while the calendar is updated. This can take a few seconds. There we go. Guests will be copied, notifications won't be sent, however, emails will not be sent, so you can do this freely without worrying about inundating guests with messages. You will have to invite them separately though. Zoom messages and meets will not be copied. If you look at the weekly event on the 4th, that has been copied, but it hasn't affected the original series and it hasn't created a new weekly series. So only this instance was copied from here to here. So I'm going to do that again now, but instead of going to the 13th, I'm going to go to the 20th. So here, and I'm going to move the events instead. And as you can see, the events will now be moved from the 20th to the 22nd. Again, this will take a few seconds. If you need to refresh the page, then you can of course refresh the page to speed things up a little bit. Now this time the weekly event was actually removed, but only that occurrence of the weekly series was moved. And the others were moved, of course. So there we go, that's how to copy a series of events from one place to another or move them. When you open GCalExtras, it'll remember which calendars you were using before. So here it remembers that we were copying from private to MISC, and it remembers your last used start date, end date, and the new date that you wanted to set. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that was useful.